Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful antique glass bottle using waste glass bottle. Yes, this is completely handmade and it's looking superbly antique. I have used this color bottle which I am not using, and you can just open your this antique bottle like this. So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need some 5 quilling strips of different colors, metallic wax in gold shade, blue color, paintbrush, any empty bottle, golden acrylic color, black and white chalk paints, quilling tool, liquid glue, some molds of your choice, and air dry clay. First I am making one big tight coil. For this I am taking 5 strips and I have joined total 40 strips together. Here I am using unused and waste strips. Many times we have remain different shades of strips which we don't use in any project. So you can combine all these strips together because anyways we are going to color it later. So in this way you can utilize your unused strips. Here I am using 5 strips and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So the tight coil is ready and I am just securing the end. Like this. Now I am taking my empty bottle. This is acrylic color bottle and I have cleaned it very nicely. Now I am taking 25 5 strips and I am just wrapping it around the cap of the bottle. So here I am creating a big ring. I am measuring using my bottle cap so that we can create our box according to the bottle measurement. So complete this ring. And it's done. So we have our base and ring ready. Now I'm just telling you the diameter. So diameter of this ring and base is 6 centimeters. Okay, now I am opening my big tight coil and the ring and creating dome. Just flat the center using backside of bottle. I'm just adjusting the shape according to the size of bottle and it should be fixed perfectly inside this. So below the cap I am making the dome. So your dome size should be below your cap. Okay, now just add little glue on both the domes and allow it to dry. Then again I am taking total 10 strips of 5 and I am taking one small bottle cap and wrapping this strip around it and creating a ring again. So ring is ready, and the diameter of this ring should be same as your cap. Now I am opening it and making a dome, and I am going to fix it on top of our lid. So just add little glue on the dome and connect with your lid. Like this. Allow it to dry for some time. It's dried. Here I am taking this tight coil which is made using 6 strips of 5 mm, and I am going to connect this tight coil on top of our lid like this. Now take back your domes, connect the bottle inside it, and then I will join both the domes with each other. Then here I am taking this rope mold and creating some rope patterns. So for this I am taking Sakura air dry clay. If you don't have these molds, you can create any border design, and also you can use ready-made ropes which you will get easily in any hardware store. So you can use nylon ropes. So this is the rope, and I am going to decorate the lid and box using these ropes. Also I have this beautiful decorative mold design. So I have created this using Sakura clay again. I have given all the mold links in description box if you want to purchase anything. And I have created these two beautiful designs using this big mold. This is from Little Birdie. And I have created two these type of shapes. Now again I am taking 2 strips of 5 mm and creating a ring randomly. Like this. Then add glue on your lid and connect this ring, and then I am connecting these two designs with each other. Press it very well, and then I am going to connect this inside the ring. So ring will give you very nice base to stand any particular design. Since this sakura clay is very light in weight and it is very easy to connect it anywhere. If you are using heavy weight clay, so you have to use any strong adhesive. I am using here Fevicol. Now take back your base box and I am going to color whole box using white chalk paint. And in the same way I will color lid also. So both the box and lid are completely white and it's completely dried also. Now I'm taking here blue color acrylic shade and I'm going to color my box and lid using this, and I'm coloring only those portions which are made using paper quilling strips. The clay work I am not going to color using this shade. So this is done. Now I am taking black chalk paint and coloring the clay area using black. Similarly, take your lid and color whole clay area using black chalk paint. Now, I am coloring these borders using golden acrylic color. Now our bottle is ready and it's looking super gorgeous as it is. Then I'm taking this antique gold metallic wax. This is by Little Birdie, and take little wax on your finger and just roll it on the clay textured part and you will get the beautiful antique look. If you don't have metallic wax, you can take any brush, add golden color and apply dry brushing technique. Dry brushing means don't take water, just apply color with very light hands on textured part. So it's done and our beautiful antique bottle is ready. You can use this to store perfumes, or you can add small pearls or small jewelry inside this, and this is the best idea to gift anyone with your handmade touch, and I'm sure you are going to try it very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.